So we're in the paw, and somebody contacted me here on Messenger and said he has a Bombardier for sale, and we're not quite sure what the year is or the model is because there's no tag here, but it does say 92A 14555SS1 on it. And yeah, we'll let the seller here tell us everything about it. So, Mr. Quill, tell us what you know about your machine. And
well, I bought it from this guy in Easterville, and he had a 600 starter in there, but he didn't like that. He didn't know that a starter, so he changed it to a automatic, industrial automatic.
okay,
So that's all I know about it, but it runs good.
okay.
Yeah.
So we got walk around the front here, and we'll open up the sides. Have you had it running?
Yeah, I had it run
When was the last time it ran?
about half an hour ago.
Oh, great. Okay, well maybe we'll even fire it up here while we're here so people can see. And
It's got no rust or nothing.
yeah. So Dad was thinking by these style of windows might be a 70 or 71, but closer look he said he might be different. It's the inside, and looks like some newer gauges in there. The front's opened up underneath with the everything you see down here, and looks like he's got a new air breather in the back, and lots of storage. Bucket style seats, and
These lights work.
double windshield wipers. The lights work, you said?
Yeah, and the wipers.
Okay. And he's got other lights there too. And this is the skis. And you can see underneath here. Open up on this side here now.
The thing is about these windows, usually they have a sliding window.
Yeah.
These ones don't.
Yeah.
And
So what were you using it for? Commercial fishing or?
that's what I thought, but I never got around to it.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why I bought it to fish. And have a
Okay.
got a 3/4 ton. I think it's a 3/4 ton.
Okay. So it's got all the wheels on here, not all the nose caps though. And he's got the newer style fuel tank, and it's just the one fuel tank. Do you know what kind of engine that is?
All I know is an industrial Chrysler. That's what it's under.
Chrysler Industrial. Okay.
318.
Yeah.
The old kind or.
So here's the rad here, and a transmission cooler on there. Okay, well, you want to fire it up just so guys can see that it works, and see if you can maybe even back it up. Fire it up. So it does move. There's forward. And there's reverse. Yeah, it's you can see starts okay here. It's sitting idle for a bit, so he's just letting it sit here, and it does go forward and reverse. So yeah, we'll maybe get him to turn it off and ask him a few more questions. Okay, so guys are going to ask, is it for sale?
Yeah, it's for sale.
What do you want for it?
Well, I was thinking with the trailer, there's a brand new trailer out there.
Okay.
20,000.
20,000. Okay, we'll go take a look at the trailer. And why are you selling? You just not using it? Okay, so then you probably want to make space for more stuff, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is located in the Paw, Manitoba, and this is Mr. Quill, correct?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And we're going to put Mr. Quill's contact information down below here so you can contact him direct, and you can give him a call, you can talk to him on the phone. And so we'll put this video up on our channel, and we're not selling this for Mr. Quill. This is a direct purchase from him, and you can talk to him about buying this. And again, located in the Paw, Manitoba, and he is throwing in a trailer with this. We'll go take a look at the trailer here. So some work required, but if you want a project Bombardier, you might as well start off with this one, I guess, and go from there. Okay, so this is the trailer that's coming with it. Mr. Quill says he's going to give this one here included in the purchase of the Bombardier. So taking into account the cost of this trailer. What about that boat? You selling that boat, or are you keeping that?
I'm selling that boat, but different.
Okay, so anybody wants to buy this boat, you can talk to Mr. Quill about this one as well.
Got a motor with it.
Okay, there's a boat and the motor, and there's the motor down here.
Yeah, it runs good.
Okay, good.
Runs service.
So yeah, it's that Bombardier is available for immediate purchase. It comes with this trailer, and then obviously you guys got to load it up. I'm sure you'd sell it without the trailer, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. So because guys might have their own trailer already.
Yeah.
And yeah, so that's it. So we'll what's your phone number, Mr. Quill?
204-627-0232.
0232. Yeah, okay.
No problem.
And do you have an email at all, or?
It's RODGERQUILL @hotmail.com.
Okay, so Roger Quill at
R-O-D.
Roger with a D at Quill at hotmail.com. And otherwise they can find you maybe on Facebook and Messenger, Roger Quill, right? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna put that those details in the video, guys, and you can talk to Mr. Quill directly. Again, this is located in the Paw. Mr. Quill wants to sell his Bombardier. He's not using it, and he's thrown in this trailer with the sail, and this boat and motor is sold individually as well. Okay, anything else you want to add?
I don't really like to sell that trailer, but if that's the case,
Yeah,
that's the case.
a lot of guys have their own trailers, so yeah. Okay, so there you go, guys.